Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust Nissan Almera headlights. First, let's prepare your vehicle for accurate aiming. Begin by parking your car on a level surface, exactly 3 meters away from a flat wall. Make sure your tire pressure is correct and the vehicle carries its normal load, including a full fuel tank. Also, place about 75 kilograms in the driver's seat and set any headlight range adjuster to 0. Next, we'll mark your aiming target. Measure the distance from the ground to the center of your headlight lens and transfer this measurement to the wall, drawing a horizontal line. Also, mark a vertical line on the wall that aligns with your vehicle's center. Now, open your hood and find the 2 adjustment screws on the back of each headlight. One is for vertical, the other for horizontal adjustments. Now, let's adjust the vertical aim. Turn on your low-beam headlights and cover one headlight completely. Using a long Phillips head screwdriver, carefully turn the vertical adjustment screw. Turning it clockwise will raise the beam, while counterclockwise will lower it. Adjust the beam so the sharp upper cutoff line of the light pattern aligns precisely with the horizontal line you marked on the wall. After adjusting the first headlight vertically, uncover it and cover the other. Repeat the vertical adjustment for the second headlight. Then, adjust the horizontal screw for each headlight, aiming the light pattern's distinct break point to align with your vehicle's center line on the wall. Once both are set, take your Nissan Almera for a short test drive to ensure optimal visibility and that your adjustments provide safe and effective illumination.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.